Hello learners, today we are going to learn how to find out the EMI for certain loan amount. For making the video short and very easy, I have already noted down the loan amount, the rate of interest and the tenure for the loan. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to put the serial number. Let us assume the serial number as the month. So we are going to find out the EMI as well as the interest rate for 9 months for the amount 49,000. So let us find out the EMI. So finding out the EMI, the formula is PMT. Rate is 11.5%. It has been given the rate for 1 year. So if we want the interest rate for 1 month, let us divide it by 12, and per meaning the tenure. So tenure is 9 months and PV or the present value, or it can be denoted as the loan amount. So loan amount is 49,000. Close the bracket. The EMI is coming in as negative, so we will be putting minus in front of the formula so that it comes the positive value. So this is the EMI. EMI will be 5,708.64. Let us make this round figure. So 5709. Our EMI will be 5709. It will be fixed. So let us log this so that even when we are writing down, so the EMI doesn't change. It will be same for 9 months. So opening balance for the first month will be 49,000. The interest will be opening balance into rate by 12. Let us log this rate also. So 470 will be interest for the first month. So closing balance will be this amount, opening balance plus interest rate minus EMI. Let us round it to let us round it. So for the first month, the interest amount is 470 rupees and the EMI is 5,709. This EMI will be same for 9 months, but the interest rate is decreasing, and at the last month we are paying 54 rupees only. So this is how we can calculate the EMI for any loan.